So now let us go with the parameterized video or parameterized filtering. So in the last class only we have seen that thing. Let us go with once again. So whenever the user keep on changing his requirement to show in the report, then it is better to go with taking parameters in the place of constants. Suppose if you are going with the top 10 customers or top 10 countries you want to show, you are taking customer name and sale, and you are taking the customer name into filter, and you are going with the top by field based on sale. If you want to get top 10 customers, click on apply, click on OK, so that you are getting top 10 customers. Now he wants to get top 20 or top 15. You have to go there and edit the filter and all these things. In this case, you no need to go edit the filter. You can allow the user to give his input, how much he need. Something like he want to get a top 15 or 20 based on his input. He want to get that thing. For that, instead of giving this 10, you have to go with some constant value. So go with create a new parameter. Now I am going with the parameter name as top x, and the current value is 10. I want to make it allow all the values. Click on OK. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Yes. Now here I am getting a top 10. So if you give 15 there, yes, I will get a top 15. See, I am getting 15 marks. If I want to get top 100 also, I will get. These are the top 100 customers. Like this, you can go with it. This is a parameter. And we have seen these things. You can go with edit this parameter. I don't want to allow all the values. I want to give the only list of values. You can give the list. I want to allow top 5 or 10 or 25 or 50 or 100, like this only. Click on OK now. Now see here I am getting top 5. If you want to see the list, go with single value list display here. Yes. If you want to get top 25, yes, I am getting top 25. If you want to get top 10, yes, I am getting top 10. Like this you can use the parameter in too many ways. Right. So after seeing this parameterized filter, we have gone with quick filter. So quick filter, in the sense, the name itself it is saying you can perform the filter very much quickly. That means if I am taking continent wise sale or profit or something like this, if you want to filter the continent, taking this continent into filter and selecting what exactly you need, Africa and Asia, I don't want to get, I want to get only these four. Click on apply, click on OK. Now if you want to get Asia and Africa, again you have to go with edit filter and all these things. So you no need to go for edit filter. For this one you can have show filter option. This is called as quick filter. Now from here you can select directly. I don't want to get all these things. I want to get Asia. Yes, I am getting Asia. I want to get Asia and Europe. Yes, I am getting. I want to get Europe and Africa. Yes. Quickly it is doing that. That's why it is called as quick filter. Right. So like this you can apply quick filter on any dimension that related to the visualization. Clear? Suppose I want to get a country-wise sale in the selected continent. Now my task is I want to get a country-wise sale in the selected continent. So go with the country. Yes, I am getting all the countries and I want to show their name and I want to show their sales also. Yes. I don't want to show all the countries. I want to get only the countries in the selected continent. For that one, whenever, remember one thing, whenever in the task you are having selected dimension, blindly you have to go for the quick filter. Now go to continent, click over there and show filter. See, in all the coordinates it is showing all the countries, right? Now select only one particular country, what exactly you need. Click on Asia. See, only Asian countries I am getting. I am not getting any other countries. If you go with Europe, yes, I am getting only European countries. So like this filtering will be done, right? So by using this quick filter, you can go with selecting what exactly you need from the visualization itself. It is also accessed by the user. That's why quick filter is also called as a user filter. So there are two types of user filters, parameterized filter and quick filter. So that user can interact with these filters. So these are called as user filters. Right? So after seeing this parameterized filter and quick filter, let me go with one task. My task is now create a report with top 10 items, top 10 items based on sales in the selected department. Right? In the previous task, I have shown you country-wise sale in the selected continent. Now what I am saying, I want to show item-wise sale in the department. But I don't want to show all the items. I want to get top 10 items in the selected department. For that one, first take the item, add all members, and take their sale values. Yes, I am getting all the sale values of them. And I want to get them department wise. Yes. So like this, in furniture some items will be there, and in office supply some items are there, in technology so many items are there. Now what is my task here? I don't want to show all the items in the departments. I want to show top 10 items in the selected department. For that one I have to take the item into filter shelf, go with the top. Based on sale only I want to get, right? Yes, go with the top 10. Click on apply. Click on OK. See, in overall 3 departments, these are the top 10 items. 3 are from furniture, 7 are from technology. There is nothing from office supplies. Why? Because you are going with overall top 10 items. But what is my task here? See here once. I want to get the top 10 items based on the sale in the selected department. So now how to select a department? By using a quick filter. Go to department, go with show filter. Yes. In all, you are getting top 10 items. Yes, it is working fine. But my task is not this. If I click on furniture, I want to get top 10 items in the furniture. If I click on technology, I want to get top 10 items from technology. For that one, yes, unselect all, click on furniture, go. I am getting just 3 from the furniture. And if I go with technology, yes, I am getting 7 from the furniture. If I am going with office supply, nothing is there. But actually office supplies individually it is having so many items. In those so many items, there must be top 10 items. Now I want to show those top 10 items. But it is not happening here. Why? Because whenever you have done this item filter now, So this item filter is always having the top 10 items only, right? So if the top 10 item is a constant thing, from the top 10 item it is having 3 from the furniture and 7 from the office supplies, that's it. If you select furniture, those 3 it is showing. If you select technology, it is showing that 7. Now that is not my task. I want to get a top 10 items from each department based on my selection. For that one, what I have to do in the sense, to solve this problem only, we are having one concept called as a context filter. To solve the problem only, you are going with the context filter. What do you mean by context filter? Context filter means you have to make one filter to be dependent on other filter. Got my point? You want to make a filter to be dependent on some other filter. Now see here, I am having item filter and a department filter. Now this item filter must be dependent on department, right? So first a department filter must be done and then item to be filtered. So to proceed this with context filter, two things you have to do. The first thing is identify dependent and independent filters. Independent filters. Identify the dependent and independent filters. Now please tell me here which is independent and which is dependent. So department contains items. So department is the independent field, item is the dependent field, right? So now the second thing is make independent field as a context. So how to make it? Let us see. So in these two filters, mine is this department is independent and item is dependent. Now click on this department filter and see here one option is there, add to context. Now click on that add to context. Yes, did you observe one thing? Previously the department is in below that item. Now it is gone to top of that item. Why? Because all the context filters will take the first place. Why? Because first department to be filtered and then item to be filtered. And the color is also changed. So context filter will be identified with the ash color. Now see, so in all I am getting top 10 items. This is good. Suppose if I am clicking on only furniture, yes, now it is showing top 10 items in the furniture. If you go with technology, yes, it is showing top 10 items in the technology. If I am going with the office supplies, yes, I am getting a office supplies top 10. Right? So this is a way how to perform a context filter. So you are making one filter to be dependent on another filter. Right? Now write down one more task for you. You have to practice that thing. So create a report. Create a report with top 2 countries. Top 2 countries in the selected continent. Top 2 countries in the selected continent. Same thing. In the place of item, I got country here. In the place of department, I got a continent here. That's it. You can practice this thing. Right? So do the task. Yeah, Rashida, is it clear? Context filter. Rashida? Right. So next I am going with one more task. Please observe carefully this task. Task is top 10 items, top 10 items in the selected category of selected category of selected department. Now see, my problem is taken one more level now. So that is, I want to get top 10 items, not in the selected department, in the selected category of the selected department. Now here, create a report now. Take the department, take the category. Yes, in each department I am having some categories. Now each category is having some items. Yes, see, each and every category is having some number of items. Now I want to get top 10 items in the selected category of a selected department. Actually I want to get the top 10 items, right? Yes. Take the item into filter, go with the top. I have to go with the top 10, click on apply, click on OK. Yes. Based on sale now, right, sure, take the sale here. Based on sale now, select the sale here, click on apply, click on OK. Yes, you can go with the bar chart here. Yes. So see here the same problem raised again. In the furniture I am getting 3 items, in the technology I am getting the 7 items. But I don't want to get like this. I want to get the top 10 items in the selected category of selected item. Sorry, selected department. Now how I have to do this? For this one, go with the category, show filter. Yes. I am having totally 17 categories. If you click on anything else, I am getting only one. Actually, I want to get from this category, I want to get 10 items. Now, go with department also. In the selected department also, I told you, right? Yes. Make this department on the top. Yes. Now here, I want to make two context filters. Why? Because this item filter must be dependent on category as well as a department also. For that one, first to identify in these two what is dependent, independent. Item is dependent, category is independent. Now make category as a context. Yes. And then these two. Department is independent. Then make department as a context. See, it knows the hierarchy. That's why department has taken the top and category and then item. Now, what exactly the filter you are performing department, it will be done first. And then it will be done on a category. And finally, it is going with the item filter. Now, this item filter is going to dependent on category and the department. Now, select the furniture as top 10 items getting and select the bookcases. Yes, in the furniture, in the bookcase, I am getting top 10 items. And observe carefully here, actually in the furniture, I have only 4 categories. But it is showing all the 7 categories when you go with the furniture also. Suppose if I am going with the furniture appliances, I won't get anything. Why? Because this appliance is not the category of furniture. Right? Now, it is somewhat confusion. Right? So whenever I am clicking on furniture, then I need to get only furniture related categories in the show filter. Then that is better, right? You can select only furniture related categories. So this is a problem now you are facing, right? Now you can go with to solve this problem by using the next concept of filter, that is a cascading filter. Got it? So what is cascading filter in the sense? Right? See here, I am going with the department. Here I am showing all the values in all the departments. No, I want to get the values related to selected department. For that one, click over here and go with only relevant values. Click on only relevant values. Yes, now see, if you go with furniture, you are getting only furniture related categories only, so that you can select whatever office furnishings, yes, tables, yes. If you go with office supplies, see, it is showing office supply related categories only. If you go with labels, yes, in office supplies, in labels, yes, I got top 10 items. If you go with technologies here, yes, technology related categories only I am getting. If you go with any category, yes, I am getting top 10 items. So like this, you can go with the cascading filter. Clear? And now write down one more task for you. That is, I want to get top two cities in a top two cities in a selected country, in selected country, the selected country in the selected continent. Got it? Same thing here. In the place of item, you got cities. In the place of category, you got the country. In the place of department, you got the coordinate. You can implement in the same way how exactly you have done till now. So these are called as a cascading filters. Is it clear? Can you go for it now? Rashida?
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear now. So how to use this cascading and contexting all these things, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
try to practice those things also. Anyway, I will provide the key for you today by evening or
Okay,
tomorrow morning. I will send it to you. So only one more concept
okay.
is pending in the filter, that is filter sharing. I think you have that hierarchy. See that hierarchy. We have seen all the things, right? So filtering measures and all these things. And next we have to see types of filters. Those are quick filter, context filter, parameter filter, cascading filter we have seen. And the final concept in the filtering is filter sharing. With this one, filters concept will be over. Filter sharing. Filter sharing in the sense, let me go with a new workbook. I told you right now we are discussing all our sheet level filters. That means that filter will be worked for that sheet only. First we have seen two levels of filter, data source level filter and worksheet level filter. And in worksheet level filter only we have seen all these options. Now see, I am taking continent wise sale and I am going with quick filter on the continent. I don't want to get all, I want to get Asia, Africa and Europe, that's it. Now I am going to second sheet. If I am taking continent again, how many I will get? I will get all the continents I will get. Why? Because here I will take continent wise profit. Why? Because this filter is applicable for this particular sheet only. This filter will not affect you in the second sheet. If I am going with third sheet, taking the same continent wise average discounts, yes, I am getting like this. Here also I am getting all. The first sheet filter is not affecting on the third sheet. Suppose I am getting one more sheet that is continent wise shipping costs and all these things. So here also I got to 6 continent details. Now, so I have done one filter now. This filter I want to share to some other sheets also. How to do it? So, right, for that one we are having one option for this filter. Click on the filter. Yes, here you are having one option called as apply to worksheets. If you click on that apply to worksheet, there are 3 options are there. Only this worksheet, selected worksheet, using all using this data source. So by default it is only this worksheet. That's why it is applicable to this worksheet only. It is not following to sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Now go with the first option, all using data source. Observe carefully, something is going to be happen now. You observe now, whenever you are saying all using this data source, you got this symbol. Before that, that symbol is not available here. That symbol indicates this filter is applied to all the worksheets that are created by using this data source. The symbol is having that much meaning. So this symbol is indicating that this filter is applied to all the worksheets what you have created used this data source. Now go to sheet 2. Yes, filter is applied. See here. Go to sheet 3. Yes, filter is applied. Go to sheet 4. Yes, filter is applied. Right? So like this you can share one filter to all. Now sir, I don't want to share this filter to all. If I remove from one place, see, in all the sheets it is going to be removed. So now I want to put a filter. I don't want to go with all, I want to go with Europe, North America and South America. Now go to sheet 2. That filter is not applied. Now I want to apply this filter to selected sheets only. Sir, I want to apply this filter to sheet 2 and sheet 4. That's it. I don't want to apply to sheet 3. For that what I have to do? Sir, go here. Apply to worksheet. Click on selected worksheet only. In the first case what we have seen to all the sheets. Now you are going with selected sheets. Now you can select. Sir, I want to go with sheet 2 and sheet 4 only. I don't want to go with sheet 3. Now click on OK. Yes. Now go to sheet 2. Yes, filtering is done. Go to sheet 4. Yes, filtering is done. But go to sheet 3. Yes, no filter is done. Like that you can control the filter. You can apply a filter to a particular sheet or to all the sheets that are using the data source and only the selected sheets. Is it clear? So with this one, the total filters concept is over. Clear? And after filters, we have to see the concept. The next concept is actions. So the next concept we have to see, the most important concept, that is actions. Actions in the sense, till now you have created individual sheets. Now, if you want to make one sheet dependent to another sheet, suppose if I have done something in the sheet 1, the effect I want to see in the sheet 2. To do this type of dynamic nature of sheets, we have to implement action, right? So somewhere I have to do something and the effect will be done somewhere else. For that one, what I have to do in the sense, we have to go with the actions. So here in Tableau, we are having three types of actions. First one is filter action. Second one is highlight action. And third one is URL action. So there are three types of actions in Tableau. Filter action in the sense, an action will be performed by using filter. And highlight action in the sense, whenever you have performed action, something will be highlighted and something will be not shown. And URL in the sense, if you perform any action, a website to be opened based on the URL you have specified. So how to implement these actions? What are these filter actions? What are these highlight action? What are these URL action? We will see in the next class. So next class we are going to see actions concept. So till now so far all the concepts are clear, I think so, right? Yeah, Rashida?
Yeah, it's clear.
Right, so tomorrow we are going to see these actions, and these are actions are very helpful when you are going with the dashboards concept. So first we will cover the concept, and when we are discussing about the dashboards concept, we will go to it very much clearly. But actions are very much important thing. Tomorrow we are going to see those things. And try to practice all the tasks I have told you here. Right? Yes, Rashida. Okay? Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Right.
Yeah. Archana ma'am, are you there? Archana madam. Ma'am, you have any queries? Hello. Okay, I'm closing the session.